Hello friends, good afternoon all of you. I mean only 5 students are here. So may I know why other students have not joined? Is there any another lecture going on?
No, sir.
Okay, so maybe they don't want to join. It seems like this. Okay, let it be. Let's try to continue. I think that there is a big gap between what we people have done in previous class, and after that we are going to have a lecture afterwards. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes. I will wait. I will send one message into WhatsApp group if the students they join. Okay, fine. So though 5 students, will try to continue with 5. It does not matter whether 5 or 50. Okay, so what I just wanted to test here, I'm going to launch poll. So this will be a sample poll. Okay, so all you people just try to see if it is visible to you, and you can just click the option A, B, C, D, or of that any option that you people have to choose. Okay, so this is just trial. So all of you just tell me if it is visible. Is it visible? If it is visible, you just click it. Click any A, B, C, D, whatever. It will be just for, let's say, 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it will end. Okay, only I think that 4 students responded to the poll. Okay, so that will be a kind of, let's say, what question answers we people are going to see. For that, I'm going to use this poll, and so I just wanted to see. So people can also see that 75% people have chosen option A, and there are 25% people they have chosen option C. Option B and D nobody has chosen. Okay, so similar kind of polls will be there for the remaining question answer sessions. Okay, so in previous class, if you remember, we people have begun with revision of grammar, and in that we people have started something with noun, and few questions also we people have finished. Okay, so in today's class also we people will do with remaining questions, and people will try to continue. So if students are not joining, it is their problem. If they are going to join, it is okay. If not, we are going to continue. So just to wait for 1 minute, I will share the screen. So someone just reply if the voice is audible and screen is visible. So is it audible and visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Snehal. And let's try to continue. If you remember these questions, we people have done in previous session. So based on this abstract noun, and here it says make abstract noun of no, and you people can think from the given options: known, new, knowledge, and no. So for answering this question, I'm going to launch this poll, and you people can answer through option A, B, C, D. What do you feel? That will be just for 30 seconds. Poll will be with you, and you people have to choose what is your answer. After 30 seconds, we'll go for answer. Okay, so here I can see option A, 25% people chose option A. Option B, nobody has chosen. Option C, many people, 50% of people have chosen option C as correct answer. And there are 25% people who have chosen option D also. So here I would like to tell you that answer goes for option C. So no is verb. So people have to consider that we are asked to choose abstract nouns. So known is not noun at all, that is verb. Again, new is also verb. So these two cannot be option, and that no is also cannot be option. So what left? Knowledge. Knowledge is an abstract noun of no. So therefore, option C is answer for this question. All of you ensure that you choose this. Then next, based on gender, I think that we people are going to continue from this question. Here it is odd man out. Okay, and your pairs are cock and hen, dog and bitch, ox and bull, horse and mare. Okay, so for answering this question, all of you just click on the right option. Poll is in front of you. So for 30 seconds, you people can choose the option. And here there are 11 students. So all 11 students have to select one option. It is not one or two, but all 11 students who have joined, please click the poll. Whatever you feel, it may be wrong, it doesn't matter, but you have to participate into this poll, because it should not be like this that you are just connected, but you have to be active and be part of this session, question answer session. And I'm going to put it for 30 seconds only, but still I can see very few people have responded. Only 5 students have responded. So remaining students have not responded. So it cannot be extended after that 1 minute. So odd man out, here you people will come to know based on gender. These are the pairs of opposite gender. So here you can see cock and hen. This is pair of opposite gender. Dog and bitch also pair of opposite gender. Ox and bull is not a pair of opposite gender. And horse and mare, that is also pair of opposite gender. So therefore, you people can think of this option C is going to be answer. So here I can see 60% of the students, they have chosen this option C, and that is right. Option A, nobody has chosen option A. I can see 20% people have chosen option B and 20% people have chosen option D, which is wrong. It should not be. Okay, let it be. So ox and bull is odd here. With this, all you people just be ready and see that question is in front of you, which is based on gender. And question is feminine of fox is what? And your options are vixen, foxen, she fox, or foxes. And you people have to answer through poll. The poll is in front of you. So you people just let me know, do you like to answer through poll or you would like to answer through chat box? Do you like to answer through poll? All of you answer. Okay, if you like to answer through chat, then we'll not use poll, we'll use chat. That will be fine. And you can prefer, if you feel that through chat you wanted to answer, you can answer through chat. Because see, in poll what happens that nobody knows what you people have chosen and what answer you have given. So there are some students, because of if they feel my answer is wrong and so they don't answer. For that reason, I will keep both of you, both options on. You can answer through poll if you feel. If you want to answer through chat, you can answer through chat. But if you are going to answer through poll, I will not understand who has chosen was. I just come to know percentage only, but I don't understand that who has chosen which option. But in chat, I can understand who has given answer and what is that answer. So if you feel comfortable with poll, you just give it through poll. And if you wanted to give through chat also, it will be okay. So this time I got only one response, and that is option A. So I'm very happy that all of you people have chosen option A. 100% people have chosen option A as their answer, and that is answer. So not Foxen or she fox is also not there, or foxes is also not there. So all you people can just ensure that whatever you people have chosen, that is option A and answer. All right, so next question, which is based on noun, gender, and here you people have verbal analogy pair. So first pair, there is some relationship between these two, actor and actress. So they are pair of opposite. So you people have to choose option for bachelor, and your given options are lady, girl, woman, or spinster, and you people have to choose. You can send me answers into chat box also. And poll also will be in front of you. Snehal, you have chosen it, option D. So let's see that how many other people think that option D is answer. This time also I'm getting 100% response for this, and that is option D. There's someone who thinks option B also. So here, I think that we have done with this. I don't remember in your class or which other class. I do not remember exactly what we people have done. But actor and actress, this is opposite pair. So bachelor is a person who is not married. Similarly, spinster is a woman who is not married. So option D is right. You are right, Snehal, and other those who chose option D, that you people can ensure that you are right. Option D is right. So spinster is the right answer. Then next question is in front of you. This question is again based on gender. It says the masculine of duck is what? And your options are option A, drake, B, drone, C, jackal, or dog. And you people can answer me through poll as well as chat box. If you don't know answer, you people can guess also. Maybe because sometimes our guess is 90% or accurate or near about true. So don't think that you don't know answer, but you can guess. Snehal, I'm getting your answer. Snehal, option A, drake. Suraj, don't mute yourself unnecessarily. If you wanted to say something, you can just tell me. Do you want to tell me anything, Suraj?
No, sir.
Okay. So for this question, as majority 50% of the people have said they have given option A, drake, as an answer. So I think that's Nihal. We are also having same option, and that is answer. So with this, next question is in front of you. Again, this question is based on gender. It says the feminine of master is what? And your options like Miss, Mrs., Mr. or mistress, and you people can send me your answer. You can choose option A, B, C, D, whatever you feel as an answer. All you people, right now you can see 14 students have joined. All 14 students will answer, and you can just think whether you wanted to answer through chat or you can answer through poll. Choice will be yours. Okay, so here mixed answers, even Mr. also answer of some of the students. Okay, I can see, read the polls here. 20% people have chosen option A, 40% option B. Then I can see that 20% people have chosen option C even, and 20% option D. And Snehal, you are having option D. And all you people just ensure that your answer is going to be option D, not A or B or C. Okay, so master, mistress. This will be the pair of opposite gender. So accordingly, this is answer. Then next we people are going to talk about noun number. Okay, so in English language, there are two numbers. All people know, that is, one is singular and another is plural. Okay, so many of the times questions can be based on singular or plural, or might be asked to make singular or make plural, or might be asked to just change this from singular to plural. So here you people can think how we people can make singular or how we can make it plural. So first of all, we'll try to understand how to make plural. First way, it says adding yes to the noun, simply we people can make it plural. And examples, you people can see here cat, it makes cats by adding just yes. Pen, pens, cap, caps, car, cars. So this is also way, and that is common way, all we people know it. Now we people have here the making of plural by adding es also to the nouns. And to which noun we people add es? The nouns which are ending with s, nouns which are ending with sh, ch, x and z. So these nouns, if ending with these letters, you people are going to make it plural by adding es to them. Like dish, it is sh, so dishes. Watch, watches. Box, boxes. Bus, buses. So this is also one way. Then next slide is talking about the noun which is ending with y, but before y, preceded means before y, there is vowel sound. In such case, we make plural by adding only s. Okay, what is the case? The noun that is ending with y. Okay, here noun that is ending with y, but before y there is o. O is vowel sound. Okay, so for making plural of such nouns, only yes is added. Here boys, like key, kids, day, days, toy, toys. Okay, I think that difference between Mr. and Master. Yes, Snail, I would like to tell you that Mr. is the usually the salutation given for the person. In our culture, usually is the person who is married. For such, it is Mr. is used, and Master is used for particularly a kind of boss, maybe usually owner of the house or something like this. In such case, you can just think about it. That can be master, and we people can think of it. So that is called master. Mr. and master, the two words which may sound similar, but they're not similar, they are having difference. Snehal, I hope that I have made it clear. Mr., that is maybe husband also, you people can consider in Indian culture. and master is owner of something. Is it clear, or should I explain it more?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, thank you. Then we'll go to the next slide. Here also you people can think noun ending with Y now and they preceded by consonant sound. Now making plural of such nouns, now people have to remove Y and we people have to add IES. Okay, so here you people can see this example. Story ending with Y and before Y there is sound R and that is consonant. Okay, while making it plural, we people have removed Y and added IES. Stories, city, cities, body, bodies, lady, ladies, like this. Okay, then next slide we people have the noun which are ending with F or ending with FE will make it plural. We remove F or FE and we add VES to the noun. Okay, so people can see the examples given here. It says leaf, so it is ending with F. So while making it plural, F is removed and we have added leaves. Life, lives. Wife, wives. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Calf, cows. These are some of the examples. Then on next slide, we people will come to know that we make plural by adding en or ren to the nouns also, and that becomes plural. For example, ox is singular. For making it plural, we people have added en and it becomes oxen. Child is singular. We people have added ren and it became plural children. What happens normally here, people make mistake, they call childs or they call it children's, which both of this is wrong. You shouldn't call it childs or you shouldn't call it children's. Child is singular, children is plural. Don't make it plural by calling children's. Okay, then next we people have some nouns are made plural by changing vowels also. So how to make plural? By changing vowels. You people can see here, given example is tooth. So here double O is vowel sound, which is changed into double E and it became teeth. So tooth is singular, teeth is plural. Then we have goose, singular, geese, plural. Foot, feet. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Woman, women. So in these examples, we have seen that we made it plural by changing vowel in that word. Okay, so that was few ideas for you for number, that is singular and plural, that you people can make. Now you people have to answer the question. So question is in front of you. It is based on number and it says the plural of half is dash and your options are half, halves, halves, halves. So people can answer me through poll as well. I will launch this poll. Yes, I'm getting answer from Snehal and Omkar. They have chosen option B, and in poll also I can see only one poll has been chosen, that is option B. Many of the people, 100% people have chosen this option B. And that is correct. So all you people, right now, only one option of all people there, that is option B, house. We people have